All right, good morning. I thought I would show you a couple of these math ones that are a little different than those easier ones, the trimester 3 math ones. So this is trimester 3, week 4, and it says add or subtract within 20. 7 plus something is 10. So the class should know all of the add-ins that you add together to make 10, and if they don't, they should be able to go 7, 8, 9, 10 and see that 3 is the add-in that goes with 7. For 12 minus 6, they could do several different things. They could draw 12 and cross out 6. They could slash the 6 and count up to the 12. This is a subtraction problem, so the total is at the beginning. They could also know that 6 plus 6 is 12 and know that 6 is the missing other add-in that makes 12. They can go here, again, this is a subtraction problem. They can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and see that 4 is the missing, the answer. Solve the story problems using number bonds, tens, frames, and drawings. So they don't have tens frames at home, but a tens frame is essentially a piece of paper that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they lay down circles in there. So you could draw that and use beans or cereal, or they could go like this. Again, we're adding this time, so here's our total. So we can go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and see that 6 is our missing one. Joe put 8 fish in the bowl. Now there are 14. How many were already in the bowl? 7 kids jump in the pool. Now there are 14. How many are already in the pool? Again, 14 is our total. If we know our doubles, we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. If we don't know our doubles, we can go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And figure out. So again, all that the most important thing is to know where is the total. When you're adding, the total is at the end. When you're subtracting, it's at the beginning. Place value within 100. We have the number here, 84. It says draw sticks and tens, or rods and squares. And it says 84 right here. So this is the number we're making. So I tell how many tens? 8 tens and 4 ones. It has 8 tens and 4 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 tens and 4 ones. 29 has got 2 tens and 9 ones. This is the number I'm making. 2 tens and 9 ones. So we have 2 tens. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And again, organized pictures, not just dots all over the place. Use one of these symbols to compare these numbers. The class should remember this. The little nose points to the smallest number. These numbers are equal. 79 and 99. This number's in the 70s. This number's in the 90s. So 70s are less than the 90s. 22 and 25. Both these numbers are in the 20s. So now I have to look at the second number. 2 is less than 5. So again, that's the smaller number or the lesser number. Add or subtract multiples of 10 or 1. I'm going to add 8 tens plus 4 ones. And if I do that, I will get 84. And if I add 9 tens plus 1 1, I will get 9 tens is 90, and then I will get 1. 7 tens plus 7 ones, I will have 70, and then I will have 7. 2 tens plus 9 ones, 2 tens is 20, and then I'll have 9. 4 tens plus 1, 4 tens is 40, and then I'll have that 1. Add 2-digit numbers within 100, 16 plus 40. Here, I can draw 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 40. So now I have 40 and another 10, that's 50, and then I still have that 6, so I have 56. Here I have 20, And here I have 52. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 72. Here, the number 30, I draw a 30. Here I draw 20 and 5. And so then I have 5 10s now, so that's 50. And then still 5. 60 plus 19, so I have 60 plus another 10 is 70, and then I have that 9. 26 plus 30, 26 plus 30. Now I have 56. It's hard to write with one hand. Sorry about that. 56. So there, that kind of gives you an idea about how to do these types of problems so that you can continue working on those in the future. And then I also thought I would show you these ones here, the spiral math review. So count backwards and write the missing numbers. 13, 12, 11, 10. This is just counting backwards. You could use this number line to help you. Here's 13, 12, 11, 10 right here as a help. Is this a triangle? Yes or no? It's got 3 corners, it's got 3 sides, and it's a closed figure. Yes, that's a triangle. Trace the rectangle. Color 1 out of 4 parts of the shape. Just one. Write the number that matches the clue. 1 more than 9. So if I look on here and I go 1 more, it's 10. Count forward and write the missing numbers. So I find 10 over here. I see that on the left is 9 and on the right is 11. 9, 10, 11. So you see how I'm just using my help here. Is this a triangle? No, this is not a triangle because this is open. Triangles can't be open, and also there's that. Trace the square. There's nothing to trace, so I'm just going to draw a square. Color 1 out of 4 parts of the shape. Write the number that matches the clue. 1 more than 4 is 5. And the way I know is I see 4, 5. Count backwards and write the missing numbers. 7, 6, 5, 4. Is this a rectangle? No. It's open. Trace the trapezoid. A trapezoid looks like this. You don't have one to trace the shape, but you can look at that. 1 out of 4 parts. Pick one and color it. Doesn't matter which one, but it can only be one. 1 more than 6 is 7. Count forward and write the missing numbers. 11, 12, 13. Is this a rectangle? Yes. It's a skinny one, but it has 4 corners and it has 4 sides and it's closed. Trace the triangle. Just draw a triangle. Color 1 out of 4 parts. Just pick one and color it. 1 more than 3 is 4. Finally, 9, 8, 7, 6. This is counting backwards. Is this a triangle? Let's see. 3 corners and 3 sides. Yes. Trace the circle. Just draw a circle. Color 1 part of the 4 parts. I'm coloring 1 of the 4 parts. 2 more than 5. So I go 5, 6, 7. I can also look here. I can go 5, and I can go 1, 2 more than 5 is 7. So there you go. This is how you do your spiral math review. Most of them are going to be similar to this.